Ayan! Hi guys! Welcome back. Ayan. Mamaya na ako magla-live. Okay? So, guess what? Anong gagawin ko guys? Habang nandito ako sa sa Cebu, guess what I'm doing guys? Naghimo ko og I'm doing kasi yung cousin ng husband ko, siya yung naggagawa ng may printing kasi siya. So, pampalipas oras, kaya ko to ginagawa. Okay? Guess what? Ticket to ng Malapaskwa. Bigyan ko kayong idea ha ng fair. Going to Malapaskwa Island. Comment, sinong gustong pumunta ng Malapaskwa? Dali! Okay, yung regular rate ng Malapaskwa is 200. Then, the senior is 150. Then, the student is 120. Okay? Yan. Malapaskwa Fair. It's Malapaskwa Pamboat Operators Association, Inc. So, ang Malapaskwa pala is in Logon, Malapaskwa, Daan Bantayan, Cebu. It's part of Daan Bantayan pala guys, yung Malapaskwa. So, sino yung gustong pumunta ng Malapaskwa Island? Malapaskwa Island pala guys, Little Boracay. Ayan. So, ang dami kong gagawin. Assignment ko to. While I'm here. Okay, so it's easy lang naman. So sort ko lang naman yung yung numbers. Ayan. Yan. So okay. Magla-live lang ako later. Bye-bye. Thank you for now. Comment kung sino gustong pumunta ng Malapaskwa Island. Tingnan natin kung makaka-hiri tayo ng one stop. Bye!